As a social media manager, maniniwala ka ba kapag sinabi ko na 2 beses ko lang ino-open ang account ng client ko sa isang buwan? Unang beses, kapag mag-i-schedule ako ng content nila. Since I am doing batch edit, batch ideation for the whole month, so once all of the content for the whole month na approved na siya ng client, automatically i-schedule ko na yon sa Instagram application na may scheduling feature. Yes, lahat ini-schedule ko yan sila. And then, second time, kung kailan ko ino-open is after a month. Kapag na-schedule or na-post na lahat ng content, i-analyze ko naman siya. Analyzing because I need to create another content ideas for the whole month for next month. And that kind of setup is only applicable for those client na nag-avail sa akin ng package without a story, without engagement. And yes po, as a social media manager, we can definitely offer project basis just like what I am doing, na hindi tayo nag-engage, na hindi tayo nag-story. We are only liable or responsible or being hired as someone who's doing the content strategy, content ideation, and posting scheduling, and that's it. Kaya yes po, 2 beses ko lang ino-open ang account ng client ko in just 1 month.